to Vega? Can you read Vega her book? Tell her about the book.
Baby Vega.
Baby Vega. That's Vega when she was a baby, right? Hold on, go slower. What's she doing there? Jump. Vega's jumping. What about this? Who's that?
Vega. The big Vega.
Who is that?
The big Vega.
Sullivan and Vega. That's right. And what else? Show me. What about this one?
Map.
That's the map of Florida, right? What's Vega doing here? What is Vega doing? What is she doing? Oh, Vega swim. Yes, Vega swimming. Say Vega swimming. Look at me. Look at me. Say Vega swimming. Vega is swimming. I hear you. Okay, and what else? Frog. You're getting frogs with Vega? Yeah. And what else? You can turn the page. Maka. That's right. That is Maka. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, what about this one? Vega and BJ at the beach. Hold on. What? What'd you say? Oh, she's smelling a fish? That's a shrimp. That's a shrimp. Who is that? Who's in that picture? Who is that? And who's that? Shrimp. And who's that? Vega and shrimp. Vega, shrimp, and That's Vega and Sullivan, right? What are you doing here with Vega? What is she doing? That is Vega. What is she doing? Is she playing in the water? In the water? Look at me. Look at Mommy. Isn't that funny? Look at Mom. Is Vega playing in the water? Yes? Say yes. Hey, where's Vega with the turtle, Zach? Zachary, where's Vega with the turtle in the book?
Go boat.
Vega go boat? She's going on a boat, yep. That is Maka. You're right. Where's Vega? Walking on the stairs? That's an escalator. Vega's eyes. That's right. Vega's eyes. Hold Vega, go park. That's right. But we forgot about the turtle. Where's the turtle? Can't miss the turtle. Oh, there it is. What's that? What's she doing? What is she doing right there? You don't want to talk about that right now, huh? Maka. Vega's eyes. That's right.
Hold Vega, go back.
Hold Vega, go park. That's right, Vega. You remember that? Do you remember that, Vega? Aww. Is that your doggy? Say my doggy.
My doggy.
So sweet.
My doggy.